Good morning, mountain buddies! Welcome to your daily video Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. It's Michaela with your Sunday, February 17th update. Today's forecast is looking just right. Another blue sunny day here, perfect for viewing winter foliage of Mass from anywhere on the slopes. The high today is expecting to reach 33 and a low of 21 degrees. The winds are also in our favor, averaging only 5 miles per hour of some northwest winds throughout the day. Base depths of 23 to 53 inches and beautifully groomed trails twice each day. Come get on this corduroy to enjoy our 25 trails and 7 lifts. And don't forget to check out the Snow Castle Slide at the bottom of Ollie's area and join us for a relaxing yoga class with Kate's Powerhouse, followed by brunch cocktails in the Copper Top. We also have an updated operating schedule for this February vacation week. All of this week will be opening at 7:30 a.m. and closing at 10 p.m. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend and February break. Stay tuned to these tape reports or log on to Wachusett.com for all the latest. See you on the slopes!